Hello guys, I'm Max. So today we're gonna talk about osteoporosis. So nakita kasi ako sa IG reel na about osteoporosis. So parang ano lang daw siya. Like it makes your bones like very fragile daw. Tapos hindi ko alam pero feeling ko napaka-interesting. Aray.
Adults who are 50 years old and above are commonly affected by osteoporosis. This causes the bones to become weak and brittle. This is due to low bone density levels, which makes the bone thinner. And when adults have fragile bones, they are much more likely to experience fractures from falling or from minor external impacts. Hi guys! Meron tayong very special guest today. Kilala niyo siya kasi nag-trending siya recently. Siya. Okay, so, kamusta ka na?
Actually, medyo worse ako nun, pero ngayon medyo okay na.
Ano ba talaga nangyari?
Actually, sabi ng doctor ko kasi may osteoporosis daw ako.
Ano, osteoporosis?
Recently sa live ko, nadulas ako, tapos biglang nabali yung spine ko daw, sabi nito.
So, naka-fracture ka?
Yes, fracture. That's exactly.
Ano yung challenges na na-experience mo?
Actually, ang dami. Nung una, hirap ako mag-bend, tapos feeling ko talaga lumit ako. Tapos hindi ako maka-pick up ng mga mabibigat. Ang sakit sa likod talaga.
Anong ginawa mo?
Actually, nirefer ako ni Doc sa physical therapist.
Physical therapy? So, nagpamasahe ka?
No, that's physical therapist is more than that actually.
Importance of physical therapy. Corrects improper posture caused by the condition or the posture that may be causing the condition. Prevents further fractures by education and balance training. Helps regain function through functional training or assistive device training for mobility independence.
So, hello everybody, we're back. So, since ang dami na po sa inyo last live about sa physical therapy, so today, I invited one of my physical therapists, si PTJ. So, hello po PTJ.
Hi guys!
So, ang dami nagtatanong sa comment section about certain questions about related sa physical therapy. So, okay lang ba na tanong, sagutin natin na sila isa't isa?
Sige, tara.
Ang bone problems ba is for adults lang?
Actually, hindi naman talaga siya for adults lang. Pwede din, for older adults, technically, kadalasan doon natin nakikita. Pero for healthy adults, pwede din mangyari. Kasi, either hindi po nila inaalagaan yung bone health nila, or may nangyayari po na nakakapigil po sa kanila. Ayun lang naman.
So, may question ako. Kasi, usually, yung iba daw, wala sila nararamdaman na pain or something. Pero nagulat sila, may problem pala sila sa katawan. So, totoo ba na if there's no pain, there's no problem?
No. Kasi, yung, let's say, osteoporosis, hindi mo siya mararamdaman until nagka-fracture ka na. And then, dun pala makikita natin kung ano ba talaga yung condition ng bones. So, usually, underlying po yan, it has to be diagnosed.
Okay lang ba na supplement lang, even though supplements lang na dinitake ko, enough na ba yun para maging healthy bones ko or no?
Not enough. Kasi yung supplements lang talaga sila. Hindi talaga sila yung main factor sa pag-improve ng bone health. Kailangan din natin ng healthy lifestyle, healthy diet, and increased physical activity para po mas mapaayos pa natin yung bone health natin. Dagdagan na rin natin yung healthy posture. And ayun lang.
Okay. So, thank you for answering our questions. So, ayun guys. So, sana nasagot yung mga tanong niya.
Here are some things to keep in mind.
Maintain proper body posturing, sit upright, avoid slouching. Use proper body mechanics when lifting objects. Get regular checkups for bone health. Don't do exercises that involves bending the trunk too much. Avoid doing motions that twist the body because it might cause fractures. Don't be physically inactive and avoid a sedentary lifestyle.
One small step today can prevent a life-changing fracture tomorrow. Don't wait for a break. Move more, break less.